Good morning, students. Now we are going to continue the same chapter in the computer, that is Excel as a database. Chapter number 2. I hope that you have seen all the videos and you have got any problem you may ask through the WhatsApp. Okay. Now the next topic is filtering data. Now you must be very clear that what is filter. In science also you have studied about the filter. Filter means to filter the purity. If you are filtering the water, you are just doing filtering the water. The pure water will come with you, and the dust water will be filtered. Okay. So same here, filtering data means we are hiding some of the data, and according to the criteria, we will show the data. Now, how to do the filter? There are two types of filter. Filtering data are two types. The first one is simple filter and second one is advanced filter. Okay, there are two types of filter. First one is simple filter and second one is advanced filter. So one by one we are going to see both the filter. Okay, now I will give you the steps how to filter the data for the simple filtering. First of all, we will see the simple filtering. Simple filter. Now steps. The first step that you have to do, create a database. If you will not create a database, then it is not possible to do any work. Without creating database, we can't do any work. So, first of all, what you have to do, you have to create a database. Second option, that you have to go to the data tab. It is on ribbon. In data tab, you will see sort and filter option. Okay. From this group, you have to select filter. In the sort also, yesterday we have seen that sort was also available in the sort and filter group, and filter option is also in the sort and filter group. As you will click the filter option, what will happen? The small drop down arrows appears. Of the bottom right of each column. Okay, now just see. If we have got our data, name, address, contact number. So while you will click on the filter option, what will happen? One arrow key will be displayed here. Okay, like this arrow key will be displayed. Okay, this will show that we have started the filtering the data. In every column, this arrow will be displayed. That means it will indicate that this is the first step to filter the data. Okay. After this, what we have to do, click the drop down arrow, click the drop down arrow. Now whichever you want to do the filter, you can click on that arrow. We are doing on the name. Next to the name, we have taken which column? We have taken the name column. Okay. After selecting the column, as you will select the column, a drop down menu appears. Okay, drop down menu appears. After that, the select all checkbox is by default. By default is this option selected. Select all. So first what we have to do? First clear select all option. Okay. You have to clear select all option. After that, what you have to do? Next is select any two check boxes. Say select check boxes in the menu and then click on OK. You can select any two or three, whatever you want. You can select the check boxes and after that click on OK. As you will click on the OK, the selected checkbox database will be displayed on your screen. Only that database will be shown and rest of the database will be hidden. This was the simple filtering method. After that, we will go for the advanced method.